Welcome. So now we'll go to how to have a mindset, a proper mindset while you're going through this masterclass. So first is we need to focus on mind. Mind is very important. Then we'll have body. Then we'll have space, and then we have soul. So mind, we need to learn focus, we need to listen to the stranger's secrets, and write goals every day, and also we need to do affirmations every day. And then our body, we need to eat organic food, we need to hydrate well, we need to have a lot of water. Every day there should be good quantity of water. And then we need to do exercise, we need to have nutrients and minerals every day in our food, and have organic and hygienic food every day. And then we need to space, we need to declutter our digital space, we need to declutter our mental space, we need to declutter our physical and emotional space. So when we do all of this, so what will happen, that we'll be more productive, we'll learn how to really focus on our task, and focus on big task and small 2-3 tasks every day in chunks, in 2 hours chunks, so that you will be really productive. And then you will do research, and that will help you. Now we'll go to how to do content research for your arts and crafts niche. So first, you need to go to Quora.com and do 100 questions research. Find in your niche, in your arts and crafts niche, what are the 100 questions which people are asking real-time basis. And then you can go to answer the public tool also, and you can get all the keywords. You will do keyword research based on your niche, and you will also go to make videos based on those questions, and answer those questions in your videos as per your niche, and upload those videos on YouTube. Build your influence on different social media platforms, and so that people will know you, you will build your influence, and then they will get to know about you and add value. So that is part of it. So that till the time you will do all the research, and you will find your niche, micro niche, and simultaneously you will build your influence also. And also you can join us on YouTube channel called Noble Transformation Hub, AI and Consciousness YouTube channel. And there will provide a lot of research about all these subjects: AI, consciousness, and how to find niche and other. You can do a lot of research, you can find a lot of content there. So stay in touch, keep learning. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.